A list of baking soda tricks that every man and woman should know. Baking soda is a very common household ingredient which can be purchased cheaply all over the world. Many people do not realize that it has hundreds of uses for both men and women. In today's video, we will look at 16 baking soda tricks to improve your life. 1. Baking soda can be used to whiten the teeth naturally. Simply dip your wet toothbrush into the powder and work on the teeth once per week. 2. Baking soda can be sprinkled into the socks to absorb moisture and prevent odour. This is also effective at preventing athlete's foot. 3. Men are well known for having a foul body odour beneath the underarms. Simply sprinkle this under the armpits. This alkalizes the sweat and moisture and prevents the foul manly smell. 4. Women can use baking soda as a vaginal douche by mixing 2 tablespoons into 4 cups of water. This cleans and destroys vaginal yeast infections quickly. 5. You can naturally treat heartburn and acid reflux by adding a small amount of baking soda to a glass of water and drinking. 6. To soothe sunburn, mix a little water with some baking soda and apply it to the skin. This reduces redness and pain, helping the skin to heal. 7. Gargling with water infused with baking soda is a quick remedy to cure bad breath. It destroys bacteria which makes the breath smell bad. 8. Massage a little damp baking soda into hard skin areas. Over time, the skin will gain a smoother texture. 9. Mix baking soda and a little water and apply to the facial area to use as a scrub. Exfoliate the skin to get rid of blackheads, whiteheads and pimples. 10. Brushing the teeth with baking soda also reduces the pain of tooth abscesses and mouth ulcers. 11. Adding a little baking soda to your shampoo will help to increase the volume of your hair. The alkaline properties boost shine and hair follicle strength. 12. You can dab a little baking soda onto swollen stings and bites. Be sure to use a little water with this. This will relieve the pain quickly. 13. Adding a teaspoon of baking soda to your vegetables when boiling is a great method of softening them faster. 14. Baking soda is superb at removing tough stains from clothing. Soak clothes in a baking soda and hot water mixture before washing. 15. You can store an open pot of dry baking soda in the refrigerator to absorb odours and smells. 16. Scrub your jewellery with baking soda and water to remove hard dirt and bring back shine and lustre. As you can see, there are a great range of uses for baking soda. This natural product does not have the harmful effects of chemicals and is very easy to use. To learn more about this wonderful substance, please see our baking soda playlist at the end. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.